Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, and to my subscribers, nice to have you back. As you can see on my Weber Q today, I'm making blue cheese and fig bruschetta. It's quick and very easy and the most impressive starter. Now, when I have friends around for a barbecue, I normally like to give them something to eat as soon as they arrive. And this one ticks all the boxes. It cooks in just a few minutes, which is very handy if your main course is a joint of meat set aside to rest. Currently, we're in COVID-19 lockdown, so this sumptuous starter becomes a tasty little snack for me and my partner. Oh, and when I say tasty, I mean tasty. Okay, let's get started. I have some lovely fresh figs and creamy blue cheese. I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoons of soured cream to a bowl, followed by 50 grams of blue cheese. Now, with a fork, mash and mix the cream and the cheese together. I don't want the mixture to be too smooth. I still want to retain a bit of texture. Now for the bread. I'm using a sourdough loaf, but really any artisan baked bread would be just as good. My Jono knife slices through this beautifully. So I'm cutting 4 slices about 1/2 inch thick. I'm using an olive oil spread to coat each slice generously, making sure it goes right to the edges. And now spread the other side, so both sides on all slices are now coated. Four slices of fig are required, so I'm using just 2 of these lovely fresh figs, and I'm cutting the slices about 1/4 inch thick. With a couple of tablespoons of caster sugar in a dish, I'm coating each of the 4 fig slices. Well, that's all the prep work in the kitchen done, so let's get out to the barbecue. With both burners full on, I'm setting the grill up for baking with a foil heat shield and grid. I'll just give it a few minutes to warm up. With all 4 slices on the grill, cook with the lid closed. Have a look at them after a few minutes. Turn them just once. I want the bread to be crispy but not burnt. Well, they look done to me, so I'm transferring them to an enamel dish which will be going on to the warming rack. And now for the figs. I'm going to use this non-stick mat which I got from Amazon, because when I cooked this dish in the kitchen I used a non-stick frying pan, and guess what? The figs stuck. Maybe I need a new frying pan. I'm just putting my smoker pot onto the mat to stop it blowing away. It's quite windy today. Onto the mat go the figs. They're very juicy and sugary, so let's hope they don't stick.
I am well impressed. They're cooking nicely and can be turned easily. To put these together, be generous with the cheese mixture. Add a slice of fig to each one. Be careful here as they are very delicate. And to finish it all off and make it look pretty, a few salad leaves. And there it is, fig and blue cheese bruschetta from my Weber Q grill.
Coming up soon on the barbecue walk of flame, I'm cooking beef burgers with a difference. I promise you won't want to miss this one. Please subscribe to the channel, just click the button. Leave me a comment, I do read them all. So that's all for now folks, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.